Hello, my name is Ryan McClure and I am proud to be a part of Ohio's pork industry. Some people might think that the barn behind me is a factory farm, but here we think it's a family farm. My father and grandfather and I built this barn to better take care of the livestock to the best of our ability. The second reason we have built this barn, just as you see it now, is for the fertilizer value. With nitrogen prices going up, this will help us grow better corn. One of the reasons we built this building is along the lines of technology. The box you see here takes care of all the temperature controls in the barn. It also monitors the water. Along with monitoring the water, it also has an alarm system in it that if the power would ever go out, the temperature ever fluctuates, or the water is shut off, it calls one of our phones and lets us know that there's a problem. Being summer the way it is, it's pretty warm this year. There's a breeze that comes through here once it gets above a certain temperature outside. When it gets above 85 degrees inside the barn, we have a misting system that comes on and sprinkles water on the pigs 1 minute out of 15 to help cool them off even further. Inside the barn here, you're looking at 1,000 pigs roaming freely from end to end of this barn. Down in the center, there's a food court. When they get done eating in the food court, they come out here into what we call the lounging area, where they can lay, run around, do whatever they please. You see the slatted floor here. They have a dunging area down through the center here. Once they dung, it goes through the slats, which lets us take better care of the pig. One of the other benefits of this building is the automated feeding system, which feeds the pigs 4 to 6 times a day. Our feed is primarily made up of corn and soybean meal. I'm proud to be a third-generation farmer, and on our farm we've always tried to do the best we can. We tried to raise the best crops, and now we are also trying to raise the best pork to feed the world.